Starting an electrical business in Kenya can be a rewarding opportunity because electricity is needed in homes, schools, hospitals, factories, offices, and businesses every day. As more buildings are constructed and more people install solar systems, security lights, electric fences, and modern electrical appliances, the demand for skilled electrical services continues to grow. If you have the right skills, good customer service, and a strong commitment to safety, you can build a profitable business that serves your community for many years. The first step is to gain the necessary electrical knowledge and practical experience. Electrical work is not a business that should be learned through guesswork, because mistakes can lead to fires, damaged equipment, injuries, or even loss of life. Many successful electricians begin by studying electrical installation, electrical engineering, or related technical courses in recognized colleges or vocational training institutions. After training, it is important to gain experience by working under an established electrical contractor before starting your own business. This allows you to understand real-life projects, customer expectations, and workplace safety. Because electrical work is regulated in Kenya, you must also meet the legal requirements before offering electrical installation services. The Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority licenses electricians and registers electrical contractors to help maintain safety standards across the country. Depending on the type of work you plan to perform, you may need the appropriate electrical worker license, while an electrical contracting business may also require registration as an electrical contractor. If your company intends to undertake larger electrical construction projects, registration with the National Construction Authority may also be required under the specialist engineering category. Taking time to understand these requirements protects both your business and your customers. Once you have the required qualifications, register your business through the appropriate government channels. You can choose to register as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a limited company depending on your goals and available capital. After registration, obtain a Kenya Revenue Authority personal identification number if required, open a business bank account, and apply for a single business permit from your county government. Operating legally helps you attract serious clients, because many companies and government institutions only award contracts to properly registered businesses. Every electrical business needs a professional image. Choose a simple business name that customers can easily remember. Design a clean logo, print business cards, create official quotation and invoice templates, and use branded work uniforms whenever possible. A professional appearance builds trust and makes customers more comfortable inviting your technicians into their homes or business premises. Location is another important decision. Many small electrical businesses begin from a modest office or workshop where tools and materials can be stored safely. You do not necessarily need an expensive office in the city center. What matters most is having a clean, organized, and secure place where customers can reach you and where your equipment remains protected from theft and damage. The tools you buy will determine the quality of your work. Basic equipment includes screwdrivers, pliers, wire strippers, cable cutters, voltage testers, multimeters, insulation testers, ladders, drilling machines, measuring tapes, safety helmets, safety boots, insulated gloves, reflective jackets, and tool bags. As your business grows, you can invest in more advanced testing equipment and specialized tools for industrial or commercial projects. Good quality tools may cost more at the beginning, but they usually last longer and improve the quality of your work. Starting capital depends on the size of your business. A small electrical service business focusing on residential repairs may start with between 100,000 Kenya shillings and 300,000 Kenya shillings. This money may cover business registration, licenses, tools, transportation, rent, and basic marketing. A larger company targeting commercial construction projects may require several million Kenya shillings because of additional equipment, vehicles, staff salaries, insurance, and larger material purchases. One of the biggest decisions is whether to specialize or provide a wide range of services. Some electricians focus on house wiring, while others specialize in industrial electrical systems, solar power installation, electric fence installation, security lighting, generator installation, electrical maintenance, network cabling, or electrical inspections. Choosing one area of specialization allows you to become highly skilled and build a strong reputation within that market. Finding reliable suppliers is also important. Build relationships with trusted wholesalers who supply genuine electrical cables, switches, sockets, circuit breakers, conduits, distribution boards, lighting fixtures, and other electrical accessories. Avoid buying counterfeit electrical products simply because they are cheaper. Low-quality materials may fail quickly, damage customer property, or create dangerous electrical faults. Customers appreciate contractors who use quality materials that provide long-term value. Pricing your services requires careful planning. Calculate the cost of materials, transport, labor, taxes, equipment maintenance, and overhead expenses before preparing quotations. Never underprice your work simply to win contracts, because you may end up making losses or compromising on quality. At the same time, avoid charging unreasonable prices without offering additional value. Honest pricing helps you build long-term customer relationships. Marketing plays a major role in business growth. Today, many customers search for electricians online before making a phone call. Create business pages on popular social media platforms and regularly post photos of completed projects. Build a simple business website where customers can learn about your services, view previous work, and request quotations. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews, because recommendations from happy clients often generate more business than expensive advertising campaigns. Networking is another powerful way to grow. Introduce yourself to building contractors, architects, engineers, interior designers, plumbers, hardware stores, real estate agents, and property managers. These professionals frequently work with clients who need electrical services and may refer projects to trusted electricians. A good reputation within the construction industry can provide steady work throughout the year. Customer service should always remain one of your highest priorities. Answer phone calls politely, arrive on time, explain the work clearly, provide written quotations, and complete projects within the agreed schedule whenever possible. If unexpected delays occur, communicate with the customer honestly instead of disappearing. Small acts of professionalism often turn first-time customers into loyal clients who recommend your business to friends and family. Safety should never be ignored. Always switch off power before working on electrical systems, wear protective equipment, use insulated tools, and follow proper installation standards. Never allow untrained workers to perform dangerous electrical tasks without supervision. A strong safety culture protects your employees, your customers, and your business reputation. As your business expands, you may need to hire additional electricians, technicians, office staff, or drivers. Recruit qualified people with good technical skills and strong work ethics. Provide continuous training, because electrical technology changes over time. New equipment, energy-efficient systems, solar technologies, and safety standards require workers to keep learning throughout their careers. Financial management is equally important. Keep accurate records of income, expenses, stock, salaries, taxes, and customer payments. Separate business money from personal money by using a dedicated business bank account. Review your financial reports regularly so that you know whether your business is making a profit and where costs can be reduced without affecting quality. Many successful electrical businesses eventually expand beyond installations. They begin offering preventive maintenance contracts, emergency repair services, electrical inspections, energy-saving consultations, backup power solutions, and renewable energy services such as solar installations. These additional services create multiple income streams and reduce dependence on a single type of customer. Competition in the electrical industry can be strong, but there is still room for honest and hardworking entrepreneurs. Customers remember electricians who arrive on time, finish quality work, use genuine materials, charge fair prices, and stand behind their workmanship. Building trust takes time, but once established, it becomes one of your greatest business assets. Starting an electrical business in Kenya requires patience, technical knowledge, proper licensing, quality equipment, good financial management, and excellent customer service. While success may not happen overnight, every satisfied customer helps build your reputation. With continuous learning, professional conduct, and a commitment to safety and quality, your electrical business can grow from a small local operation into a respected company serving homes, businesses, industries, and large construction projects across Kenya.